Ooh, what's up, y'all? It's a girl D Mary J, aka MJ, and I am back with another video. Today, I will be answering the questions that you guys asked me on my IG and my Facebook. Some were not questions. You guys are really bad. You guys are desert, okay? Some of them was not question like get up in a new camp, oh, chérie Maria avem like. So I took my time to literally pick, read, and choose every single questions, and I have some on my iPad. I took screenshots of most, and yeah, if you are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and share. And if you've already done so, don't forget to share the video with your friends, okay? Like, share this video with your friends, you guys. Without you guys, I cannot move forward. And I just want to say thank you to everyone who've watched my videos from day one and that is still supporting me till this day. You guys are family. You guys have a special place in my heart. Now let's get right into the video. The first question is what is your real name? If you really know me, you should know what my real name is. And if you don't really know me, then you won't know what my real name is. My name is MJ. Let me stop. But no, like literally, if you really know me, you should know what my name is. And I'm gonna give you a hint of how to know my real name. If you go on my IG, you should know my real name. Like if you visit my profile IG, I'm not saying to stalk me, like I don't need stalkers, although everyone do have stalkers, but yeah, like it's like right there in the open for everyone to see. So yeah. Second question is, have you ever had a pregnancy scare? No. And I'm being honest, listen, it's 2020. No, I've never had a pregnancy scare. Okay? Third question is, what is your ethnicity? Well, with all these things going on with Iran, Iran, with all this thing going on with the whole World War III situation, this is not something new. Like, well, what I'm about to say is not something new. Like, I've always said that I'm from Africa and I'm Haitian. You know, like, I always say I'm African Haitian. Like, I've never in my life say I'm African American. I'm not American. I'm African Haitian, and I am proud to say that I am African Haitian. And you know what? Quick story. This is story time. Like literally, there was one time I was at the library, right? There was some Haitians there, and like they had asked me, you know, where I'm from, and I was like, well, I'm African Haitian. And you know what they asked me? Oh, if you're African Haitian, what part of Africa are you? Is your mom Haitian or African? Like, which one of your parents are African? Like, I'm like, what? I'm like, it makes no sense. I'm like, did you know that we're all African? And literally, he looked me in the eye and says, no, I don't think so. No, that's not true. We are not all African. Okay, next question. What really happened between you and your boyfriend? Between me and not my boyfriend and my ex. I will leave that for another video. Or do I really want to talk about him? Well, you know what? I'll tell you to mind your business. Okay, it's 2020. Mind your business. Don't worry about what happened between me and him. Okay, we're done, and that's a done deal. Okay, and please, really, go. Next question. How old were you when you started playing the drums? I was about 12 years old. I was 12 years old. When I took it seriously, I was 12 years old. Like, you know, I started playing for my parents' church, and I remember I was 12 years old. So yeah, if you guys want to learn, just call me and bring the money, Cash App, Zelle, whatever. Next question is, how tall are you? How tall am I? 5'4". Listen, I'm very short, and you know, Stephanie, you're the one who asked that question. You're the only one who asked that question. Stephanie, let me tell you something, okay? I am pretty much taller than you, and if anyone know who Stephanie is, please write it in the comment below. Which one of us is taller? I or her? Don't lie. Be bold. Be bold. I'm just saying, it's 2020. Be bold. I ain't that short. I'm only 5'4". I ain't short. Alright. My eyes started to burn. And that right there answer your question. Are you blind? Oh my god. You know what? I'm gonna get you. Whenever I see it, I'm gonna get you. Like, literally. You guys, I had to go get my glasses and stuff like that to answer this question, because I'm not blind. Obviously I can see, but I can't see far, you guys. Like, literally, I cannot see far. Like, if I'm standing in front of an audience, I'm just gonna see a bunch of heads. I won't be able to see your face unless I have this, and I could, you know, manage to, you know, actually see you, you know. Anyways, next question. Now this question here is in Creole, so therefore I will answer it in Creole, and it is from my Facebook platform. That question is, Koto an vive? Ma vive en Floride. Yeah, Floride. L'autre question que moi gagne qui sur page Facebook moi c'est hello girl, I love your skin color at 100%. My question is, have you ever regret that you are black? I'm sorry, no, I'm just thinking really hard because I want to make sure I answer my questions sincerely. Have I ever regret that I am black? When I was in middle school, I used to get bullied a lot. A lot. You have to call relem chabon. They used to call me burnt Bonn. They used to call me burnt potato. Oh my god. You can call him blackout. There wasn't nothing they didn't call me. Now, have I ever regret that I was black? At some point, at some point, at some point, yes. Yes, I did. I'm not gonna sit here and lie and say, oh my god, you know, of course, I love my skin color, da 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 da. Now I do. Trust me, I do. But when I was in middle school, mind you, when I first came here in the United States, literally, I knew no English. I only knew French and Creole, and that's it. Creole, I was getting there. Because back in Haiti, on connaît l'or dans l'école, on pas supposé parler Creole. C'est français seulement. When I came here, it wasn't easy. Like, life was pretty tough for a dark skin out there. They used to call me Haitian mommy. They used to call me everything. Literally, you guys, I used to cry when I get home. I used to cry when I get home. And it's to the point where I used to save money, sneak to the store and buy like those savon carotte, those creme carotte to make your face more lighter. I used to buy those lighting cream. I really did. I felt it, man. Like literally, I was like, why am I black? And like, there was a period of time in the last decade where it was all about light skin. Like if you were not light skin, you weren't popping, you know. And like I had Latino friends. I had other friends. Like there's time where when you walk by your crush, and then your crush, kind of wink at the girl who's light skin and skinny da, 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 da. So me, I have meat on me. I have meat, like literally. I'm not skinny. I don't think I was born to be skinny. Even if I lose weight, which I do plan on losing weight, it's one of my goals. So y'all gonna see me soon. But what I'm trying to say is, I did regret somehow that I'm black. But now, I love being black. I mean, I'm the president of the Black Student Union, okay? And I am also the new secretary of the Florida African American Student Association, which is FASA for short. So yeah, I'm happy that I'm black now. But have I ever regret that I'm black? Yes. And for everybody out there who are dark skinned, for every young girl, woman, female, men, whoever you are, you dark skinned. I know it's not easy out there to be a dark skin. Even to find makeup, it's not easy out there to even put a foundation that works with our face. It's not easy. It's not. But be proud of who you are. No matter who you are, Latino, white, dark. Be proud. Be proud. Thank you guys for everyone who watched this video, and thank you for those who are about to watch this video. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Share this video with your friends. I know that many may not care to know questions about me, but I do hope that these stories did touch you in a way. I know that these stories would have touched me in a way. So if these stories or these questions or anything that you did like about the video, leave a like button, leave a comment down below, and share it with your friends. Send it to your friends. Okay, let's get this family bigger. Okay, and I love you all. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, which is the Murray_J, and don't forget to like my Facebook page, which is Murray J. If you type in Murray J, you should see me no matter what. Okay, I love you all. Be great, and I will see you guys until next time. Solo de pensar en ti mi sentido neutraliza.